Hello friends, welcome to Slide Hunt with C programming video tutorial. In this tutorial we learn pointers in C. First we know what is a pointer. A pointer is a variable that can hold the address of another variable. To know pointer in details, let's see an example. Here we create a normal variable int a and which is initially assigned to 100. When we assign a equal to 100, computer stored this value to a memory cell. Suppose this is a memory cell. All of you know each of the memory cell has a unique memory address to identify the cell. Suppose the address of this memory cell is 21346 and computer stored the value 100 to this location. A is the location name. Here we gonna create another memory cell which has address 21153. And we call it as B. This one is the address of A. If B contains this value means 21346, then we can say B pointing to the variable A means B containing the address of A. In C, B is called pointer. I said before, pointer is a variable that can hold the address of another variable. Here B holds the address of A, so we can say B is a pointer variable. We can access the value of variable A using B. In pointers we use two operators. One is called ampersand or address of operator and another is called star or value of operator. If we use ampersand operator with a variable, then it returns the address of that variable. For example, if we use ampersand with A, then it returns the address of A, means it returns 21346. Similarly, if we use ampersand with B, then it returns the address of B, means it returns 21153. Another operator is star or value of operator. Value of operator returns the value of the variable specified with it. For example, if we use star A, then it returns the value of the variable A, that is 100. Similarly, if we use star B, then it goes through the value stored in the variable B, that is 21346, then it searches for the value stored in the memory location 21346, that is 100. So it returns 100. Next we see how we use the pointers in program. Let's move to the coding. Here we see how we use the ampersand and star operator in our program. Here I am gonna create an integer type variable int a and which is initially assigned to 100. Next we gonna create a pointer. To declare a pointer, first we need to specify its type. Here we gonna create a pointer for the integer variable, so its type will be int. Then give a star operator and then write the variable name. Here I am gonna write B. So the type of the pointer is actually the type of the variable to which it points. Here B will contain the address of A and we can write it as B equal to ampersand A. Next we use a printf function to print the value of A. So I am gonna write here printf value of A is %d and then a new line, and here we refer A. Next we use another printf to print the address of A. So I am gonna write here printf address of A is %u. Here we use the format specifier %u to print the address and then a new line, and here we refer ampersand A. Next we print the value of A again but in different way. Printf, and here I am gonna write value of A is %d new line, and here we refer star of ampersand A. Here ampersand A returns the address of A. Then we use star, means it returns the value stored to that address. Next we print the value of B. So I am gonna write here printf value of b is %u, and then a new line. Here we use the format specifier %u because b holds the address of a. See this statement, here we assign address of a to b. So b's value is actually the address of a, and here we refer b. Next we print the value pointed by the pointer b. So I am gonna write here printf, and here I am gonna write value pointed by the pointer b is %d and then a new line, and here we refer *b. Here *b return the value stored in the memory location specified by the variable b. Next we use another printf to print the address of b. So I am gonna write here printf address of b is %u and then a new line, and here we refer %b. Our program is completed. Let's check the output. Compile it and run it. As you can see here, first it print value of a is 100 because here we assign a equal to 100. Next it print address of a is 2293572. This is the address where the value 100 is stored and the name of the location is a. Next it execute this statement and print value of a is 100. Here &a indicates the address 2293572. Star of 2293572 indicates the value stored in the memory location 2293572. That's why it print 100. Next it print value of b is 2293572, which is same as the address of a. Because here we assign b equal to &a, means pointer b contain the address of a. So we can say b's value is address of a. That's why it print 2293572. Next it print value pointed by the pointer b is 100 because b containing the address of a, and then star of that address means it return the value of a, that is 100. At last it print address of b is 2293568 because every memory cell has a unique memory address. That's it. Hope you understand. See you in next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel.